have a different one today. I'm actually designing a Christmas card in Vistaprint, and I found a little issue that I think might be helpful for some people. So if you're in Vistaprint and you've accidentally cropped your image to a size that you don't want, and you cannot pull the corners to adjust the crop, you may be having the same issue as me, and it took me a second to figure out. So I Googled it, and at first they said to unlock your image, which was confusing to me because it looks like I am unlocked here. So that was driving me crazy. But what I noticed is it's still locked. You need to double unlock it, essentially. So here, if I click that, double click, and now I need to unlock the ratio. That's the important thing. That's what allows me to move the corners and the crop handle. So once I unlock the ratio, I can then crop it how I want to. And then I can click done, and I was able to fix my cropping. So I hope this helped. I hope that you guys haven't been driven crazy by this problem like I was. And join me in my next video.